What's up? How are you all doing? Welcome to a new video. I hope you're doing great and well. My good friends at Phones de Guatemala sent these brand new earbuds to me, which they claim will give you excellent results in terms of sound. Let's check them out. I've already taken them out of the box here. These are the Haylou Mori Plus, and here I have the respective box. Well, I've already pretty much unboxed it since I've been using them, and the sound quality is quite beautiful. So, as you can see, the design is indeed somewhat egg-shaped. Right here, it features, well, a somewhat curved section. If you observe it closely, you'll note there's indeed a part right there. In addition, we have a USB Type-C input, and right here an ADHN, which prominently represents the Haylou brand. And right here, there are a few small lines. It has a slightly raised textured area. I really like that feature. Then we also have the brand name prominently displayed here, and a subtle small line encircles the entire design. Upon opening them, there it is. We also have a convenient little button allowing us to reset them, perfect for when you're looking to sell them or link them up with a different mobile device. Then, here are our new earbuds. Take a look at them. I really like them a lot. They also provide the functionality to easily switch between songs or activate the voice assistant using these intuitive gestures. And this is what they look like. I really like them. I love them. Wow. They weigh almost nothing. The material feels premium, right? And they're genuinely quite glossy here. It also clearly displays the Haylou brand name right on it. Okay, I'll put them back. I'm going to leave them here, folks. All right? Now let's explore its box. This is what it looks like. And it does come with naturally a wireless version 6.0 along with high-res audio. Moreover, it features hybrid ANC sound, and you can customize them using the application, which we'll explore shortly. And the box description conveys the same. We also have some truly impressive features, stating they boast exceptional high-fidelity sound quality, ensuring a superior audio experience. Then we also have extra long battery life. I mean, yes, because there are various intervals during which we can charge them. When the battery dies, you simply place them back in their charging base. You can then go take a shower or enjoy your dinner, and they'll be fully charged quickly. Then we also have, of course, a gaming zone right here which offers ultra-low latency capabilities. We're certainly going to put it through its paces, so please stick around, don't go anywhere just yet. Furthermore, we also have a customizable area here where we can adjust the sound quality levels. So that's what the box looks like. What's inside the box, everyone? By the way, please subscribe. It's free. Let's see right away what's in the box as far as accessories. Something we truly appreciate is when it includes everything. And here we are going to have... Here are our ear tips. It comes with 2 pairs, and with the ones on the earbuds that makes 3 pairs. Some individuals may not find these to be a comfortable fit, as their ears could potentially be either too small or too large for optimal use. And its respective USB Type-C cable on this end and USB Type-A on the other end. It can be charged with any charger, right? Don't ask me which specific one, they're compatible with all of them. Consequently, it is perfectly fine to charge them using any charger you might have available. It will automatically draw the necessary amount of charge that it requires for optimal performance. So let's put them here because they can get lost, right? Some people tend to misplace them, and that's about everything included. Plus, there's its information manual, which, let's be honest, people rarely bother to read, but it's readily available should you wish to glance through it. We're all done, folks. Let's close this, put it here so you can see we're really talking about these earbuds. Now we will move on to the application. Yes, let's navigate there presently. And if you check out the section on its more advanced features, you'll see it's also available on phones. Here, it boasts 43 decibels providing a noise isolation, even on the bus or in the office. High fidelity audio, microphones with artificial intelligence, they hear you clearly when you're on a call with no background noise. 28 hours of battery, they last all day without you having to worry. Fast charge in 10 minutes gets you an hour of music, okay? IPX5 resistance, perfect for the gym or running in a light drizzle. Transparency mode, listen to your surroundings when you need it most. Low latency mode, perfect for gaming as I've mentioned, and seamless TikTok viewing without any delays. Bluetooth 5.4, stable and fast connection. It's really that simple, everyone, that's straightforward. But if we head over to the Play Store application, we'll find the app right here. It's called Haylou Sound, and I've already got them connected and ready to go. We have an ANC mode, and unfortunately we don't have any specific settings here to be able to modify it. Here in off mode, there's absolutely nothing. And with the ambient sound feature, anyone will be able to clearly hear you, or when you're enjoying your music, you'll have the full ability to hear everything happening in your surroundings. We also have the battery level displayed for both the earbuds themselves and the charging case. Currently, they are at 100% capacity. We also have a game mode, which we will test at the end, alright? And we have LDAC, which is a codec. If we activate it, it will prompt us to restart the earbuds, allowing us to utilize its full potential. In this specific situation, because I possess a Xiaomi device, we will navigate to additional settings where we can find a different kind of codec, specifically AAC. I confess, as I possess a Xiaomi device, it will exclusively be accessible there. It's possible you'll use them on other mobile devices, and while they might not have that particular codec, you do have the option to customize your audio preferences, a feature I'm about to demonstrate. Honestly, this feels pretty much like a tutorial, and then there you have it, we've got it right here. Moving on to the application, we also have the sound settings right here. Currently, I've got it set to a heavy bass profile, but you have the flexibility to switch it to soft rock, classic, or even the default option. Nevertheless, we're still able to adjust the sound configuration precisely as we wish regarding the musical aspect. Let's examine the default settings, then review the heavy bass option, which is now set. And additionally, we have such as various actions. These are indeed different actions. Let's head over to the music section here. We've got selections like sleep, windy, nightbird song, heavy rain, old vinyl, and forest at night, along with others. And check it out, we've even got more options available here. They are available there. In the discover section, we have the earbuds I've tried, not all of them to be frank. We're heading back to the settings. Here, we've got a double tap for playing music, a triple tap to skip to the next track, and a long press for the ANC mode. We can even instruct it to increase the volume. You'll definitely discover this yourself as you continue to use them and truly get into the rhythm of things. We also have the options for a double tap, a triple tap, and a long press. Additionally, there's the Find My Earbuds feature. Thanks to the second microphone I have, we can hear that they're there. I mean, not you specifically, but if you happen to leave them on grandma's sofa, you can easily pinpoint their location if they're still there. Okay, that's done. It's not at maximum volume, but I really can hear them. I can genuinely hear them. That's a definite advantage to possess. Alright, furthermore, we also have a firmware update. This is to check for any available updates that could enhance the earbuds. And that's that. This section handles music discovery, device management, and sound settings. I haven't come across any controls to tweak the bass or treble directly, so I'll double check right now to see if we can manually adjust those ourselves. No, we cannot, folks. We can't go any further than that. There are no other options available. I specifically set it to heavy bass, and now, prior to delving into the task of observing its performance with games, I will be describing the overall sound quality to you. Well, honestly, since your listening experience won't be identical to mine, I can confidently say they're quite good. The bass is truly excellent and the sound remains crystal clear without any distortion. I conversed with a person and they distinctly heard me without any background noise, despite the bright lights and illuminations I have here. I tested it out, and indeed, it functions superbly. Alright then, let's proceed with the test for this device, which claims to offer impressively low latency performance, a feature we are keen to verify. We're about to discover it together here. Subscribe. Alright, let's now move on to the low latency section. Be careful, we already have it activated. Game mode is on. Alright, and lastly, in game mode, we're going to put to the test how those gestures actually function. Okay? Then Actually, that'll be last. Let's get to the games. We'll load up Call of Duty Mobile. Call of Duty doesn't compensate me with even a single penny whenever I conduct these gaming tests. Honestly, people, I have had the opportunity to try out numerous mobile devices and earbuds, and in my opinion, this one stands out as truly exceptional. Alright, we are now getting into Call of Duty Mobile. We are going to use this second microphone just like we used it to hear where they were. Got it? Now we're going to demonstrate this live in real time. Let's find out if it's working. And yes, it is. We'll place it right here. And we're also going to test out its sensor mode, which means when we remove the headphones, the music pauses, and when we reinsert them into our ears, the song resumes playing. This functionality is quite convenient. Let's discover this together. Hold on a moment. Please wait for me. Alright, today, yes, we're heading into Battle Royale, and we also have a training ground right here. This is precisely the spot where we'll ascertain if they truly possess low latency or not. Okay? I'll put one in. Let's check it out, folks. Let's add some bots. There.
Ay,
Oh,
¿dónde está
Miguel?
Miguel?
There is good low latency, folks. Yes, good low latency. You heard it, I think. I think you took the time to see it. Yeah, I truly liked it. You can hear that there's good contact. Yes, it sounds really great.
Muy bien.
Absolutely perfect.
Perfecto.
A solid 10 out of
10
10.
puntos.
Truly a 10 out of
10
10.
puntos.
I really like them. This is where you genuinely get to determine if they are actually good or not. So, good job by the brand. Okay, now for the gestures. Let's bring up the application right here, which by the way is a paid app, just so you know. We are going to put on this really awesome song now. By the way, I'm also testing one of their watches. Alright now. Because of copyright, I'm not playing the music anymore. Let's see here. It works, people. What great sound. What great sound. I loved it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If that was the case, give it a big thumbs up. Now for one final test, let's see if it has any sensors. I'm right here, diligently listening, and you've got that laid out over there. The phone right there, so you can clearly see that it does not contain any sensors. So a big thank you to our friends at Phones de Guatemala and to you for always stopping by this channel. Subscribe, it's free.